Since time immemorial, humanity has gazed upon the night sky with awe and wonder. The stars, those distant suns scattered across the vast canvas of space, have served as beacons of navigation, inspiration for countless myths and legends. Among these celestial wonders, constellations have captivated our imaginations for millennia. From the familiar outline of Ursa Major to the lesser-known patterns of constellations like Cepheus and Cetus, the night sky is teeming with stories waiting to be told. These celestial tapestries connect us to the rich history of human observation and imagination. Each constellation holds a unique tale of gods and monsters, heroes and villains. Join me as we navigate the celestial sphere, uncovering the secrets and stories within each constellation's starry embrace. Andromeda, a prominent constellation in the northern celestial hemisphere, is named after the Princess Andromeda from Greek mythology. This constellation is easily recognizable due to its proximity to the Great Square of Pegasus, a prominent asterism in the northern sky. Andromeda's most luminous star, Alpha Andromedae, also known as Alpheratz or Syrah, shines brightly at the constellation's northeastern corner. This binary star system, located approximately 97 light-years from Earth, is the brightest star in Andromeda. In Greek mythology, Andromeda was the daughter of King Cepheus and Queen Cassiopeia, rulers of ancient Ethiopia. The myth of Andromeda tells the story of her rescue from the sea monster Cetus by the hero Perseus. This tale of heroism, sacrifice, and divine intervention has been immortalized in the stars, with the constellations Andromeda, Cepheus, Cassiopeia, Cetus, and Perseus, all located in the same region of the night sky. The constellation Andromeda is also home to the Andromeda Galaxy, the nearest major galaxy to our own Milky Way. Aquarius, the water-bearer or cup carrier, is a large and dim constellation in the southern hemisphere. It is one of the oldest recognized constellations, with its origins tracing back to Babylonian star catalogs. Aquarius is typically depicted as a young man pouring water from an urn or amphora. The constellation's brightest star, Sadalsud, is a rare yellow supergiant located approximately 610 light-years from Earth. In many cultures, Aquarius is associated with water and rain, often symbolizing the life-giving force of these elements. In Greek mythology, Aquarius is often identified with Ganymede, a handsome Trojan prince who was abducted by Zeus to serve as cupbearer to the gods on Mount Olympus. The constellation's association with water also links it to the rainy season in many ancient cultures, further solidifying its importance in celestial lore. Aquila, the eagle, is a prominent constellation in the northern sky, easily identifiable by its distinctive shape resembling a bird in flight. Its brightest star, Altair, is a white star located relatively close to Earth at a distance of approximately 16.7 light-years. Altair, along with the stars Deneb and Cygnus and Vega in Lyra, forms the Summer Triangle, a prominent asterism in the northern hemisphere's summer sky. In Greek mythology, Aquila is often associated with the eagle that carried Zeus's thunderbolts. The constellation's prominent position in the Milky Way also led to its incorporation into the myths and legends of various cultures, often symbolizing strength, power, and swiftness. Aquila's position near the celestial equator makes it visible from most parts of the Earth, ensuring its place as a recognizable celestial landmark for stargazers across the globe. Aries, the ram, is a relatively faint constellation in the northern celestial hemisphere, marking the first sign of the zodiac. Although not as visually striking as some of its celestial counterparts, Aries holds a significant place in astronomical history. Its brightest star, Hamal, or Alpha Arietis, is an orange giant star located approximately 66 light-years from Earth. In ancient times, the location of Aries in the sky marked the vernal equinox, the point where the sun crosses the celestial equator from south to north, signifying the start of spring in the northern hemisphere. In Greek mythology, Aries is often associated with the golden ram that rescued Phrixus and Helle, the children of King Athamas, from being sacrificed. The ram's fleece, known as the Golden Fleece, later became the object of a quest for Jason and the Argonauts, further cementing Aries' place in mythological history. Although relatively faint, Aries' historical significance and its role in marking the changing seasons ensure its continued fascination for astronomers and stargazers alike. Bootes, the herdsman or plowman, is a prominent constellation in the northern celestial hemisphere, easily recognizable by its distinctive kite-shaped asterism. Its brightest star, Arcturus or Alpha Bootis, is an orange giant star located approximately 37 light-years from Earth. Arcturus is the fourth brightest star in the night sky and is easily visible to the naked eye. The constellation Bootes is often depicted as a herdsman driving the Big Dipper, or Ursa Major, around the north celestial pole. In Greek mythology, Bootes is often identified with Icarius, the Athenian who learned the secret of winemaking from the god Dionysus. Bootes is also notable for containing the void, a vast region of space with very few galaxies, making it one of the emptiest known regions in the observable universe. Cancer, the crab, is the faintest of the 12 zodiac constellations, located in the northern hemisphere between Gemini to the west and Leo to the east. Despite its inconspicuous appearance, Cancer holds a significant place in astronomical history and mythology. Its brightest star, Beta Cancri, also known as Tarf or Altarf, is an orange giant star located approximately 290 light-years from Earth. In Greek mythology, Cancer is associated with the crab that Hera, the queen of the gods, sent to harass Hercules during his battle with the multi-headed Hydra. Despite its small size and lack of bright stars, Cancer has been recognized as a distinct constellation since ancient times, further highlighting its importance in celestial lore. Cancer also contains the Beehive Cluster, or Praesepe, an open star cluster that appears as a faint fuzzy patch to the naked eye, but is a stunning sight when viewed through binoculars or a telescope. Cancer's rich history and its celestial treasures make it a fascinating target for both amateur and seasoned stargazers alike. Canis Major, the Great Dog, is a prominent constellation in the southern hemisphere, easily recognizable by its brightest star, Sirius, also known as the Dog Star. Sirius is a binary star system and the brightest star in the night sky, located approximately 8.6 light-years from Earth. Its name comes from the Greek word for glowing or scorching, a testament to its brilliance. In many cultures, Canis Major is depicted as a dog accompanying Orion, the hunter, in pursuit of celestial prey. Canis Major is also home to several other notable celestial objects, including the open cluster Messier 41 and the emission nebula Thor's Helmet. The constellation's association with loyalty and companionship, coupled with its prominent place in the night sky, has cemented its place in human imagination for millennia. Canis Major's brilliant stars and fascinating deep sky objects continue to captivate stargazers of all levels, making it a must-see constellation in the southern sky. Capricornus, the sea goat, is a faint but distinctive constellation in the southern hemisphere, often depicted as a creature with the head and upper body of a goat and the tail of a fish. Capricornus is one of the 12 zodiac constellations and is located between Sagittarius to the west and Aquarius to the east. Its brightest star, Deneb Algadi, is a multiple star system located approximately 39 light-years from Earth. In Greek mythology, Capricornus is often associated with Pan, the god of the wild, who transformed himself into a goatfish hybrid to escape the monster Typhon. Capricornus is also notable for its association with the winter solstice, the shortest day of the year in the northern hemisphere. Despite its faintness, Capricornus's unique appearance and its place in both astronomical and mythological history make it a fascinating subject for stargazers and mythology enthusiasts alike. Cassiopeia, named after the vain queen from Greek mythology, is a prominent constellation in the northern sky, easily recognizable by its distinctive W-shaped asterism. This constellation is circumpolar, meaning it never sets below the horizon for observers in the northern hemisphere. Cassiopeia's brightest star, Scheiter, is an orange giant star, located approximately 228 light-years from Earth. In Greek mythology, Cassiopeia was the wife of King Cepheus and the mother of Andromeda. Her vanity and boastfulness angered the gods, leading to a series of unfortunate events that culminated in Andromeda's sacrifice to the sea monster Cetus. From the familiar patterns of Ursa Major and Orion to the more obscure outlines of constellations like Scutum and Sextans, the night sky offers a breathtaking tapestry of celestial wonders. These groupings of stars, imbued with meaning and mythology by cultures across the globe, serve as a constant reminder of humanity's enduring fascination with the cosmos. As we gaze upon these celestial patterns, we connect with generations past who found inspiration and guidance in the stars. The constellations offer a glimpse into the vastness of the universe and the intricate dance of celestial objects that has captivated our imaginations for millennia. So, the next time you find yourself under a clear night sky, take a moment to appreciate the beauty and wonder of the constellations.